Okay guys, welcome to Hanoi Vietnam. In this video we are looking at the Noi Bai International Airport. It is the largest airport in Vietnam in terms of total capacity. It is also the largest airport in the country for cargo transport and the second busiest airport for passenger traffic. It is currently the main airport serving Hanoi, replacing the role of Gia Lam Airport. The airport consists of two passenger terminals. Terminal 1 is for domestic flights, and the newly built Terminal 2 serves all international flights in and out of Hanoi. The airport is currently the main hub of Vietnam Airlines and budget carriers Bamboo Airways, Pacific Airways, and Vietjet Air. The airport is located about 35 kilometers northeast of downtown Hanoi. In 2018, the airport served 28 million passengers. Its code is HAN, airport code HAN. I was in this airport in 2016. At first, I didn't like it. It was very unwelcoming, I thought, coming in on the arrivals level. A lot of people there not knowing what to do. There's a big issue with visas. I booked my visa online, which helped me a lot. People that are visa exempt or visa on arrival, if you qualify for that, it's very easy to get through. If you're not on that list, visa can be a problem. There was probably 100 people there scratching their head wondering what to do now. I flew all the way to Vietnam and I can't get in the country because I don't have a visa. And the officials there were none too welcoming. That's for sure. Other than that, this is a very easy airport to get through. It is very long and narrow, so when you come in, it's easy to get out the other side. It's a very short walk. Going through customs, like I said, that is the worst part of most airports anyway, but they were very unwelcoming in my experience. Now, when we get to departures level, it's a total different experience altogether. Very happy people, very easy to deal with. It's still an airport. They have all the same rules as everywhere else, but friendly people makes all the difference. Once you get through security, this is a great airport for watching planes land and take off. You have a great view of the terminal or of the runway right there. Planes are coming and going non-stop. You get to watch them land. Saw a bunch of planes I had never bunch of airlines I have never seen before, so that was really cool. Plenty of stuff there to spend your money on if you have any left when you're leaving the country. Lots of food. I really like this airport, but the arrivals level is a nightmare if you're not prepared. Make sure you know what visa you need and you have it pre-arranged. You cannot get the visa once you get there, or not easily anyway. I don't know what you would do if you arrived and you didn't have your visa. I booked mine online, paid everything, and it was still difficult. It was not a very easy experience, even booking it online and doing everything there. It was not easy. It was way more difficult than I think it should have been. But my wife, who was visa exempt, walked through no problems. She wasn't in line 5 minutes. It took me about an hour and nobody in front of me. So that's just something to keep in mind. One other thing I will add, it was recommended to me by a bunch of people before I went to be careful of taxis in Hanoi. They are rip-off artists. So what I did was book my taxi through the hotel that I stayed in. The taxi driver actually came through security and found me at immigration And that's who helped me get through immigration and made it a lot easier. Or I'd probably still be there even though all my paperwork was in order. They knew exactly what needed to be done and made my life a lot easier. And I didn't have to worry about the taxi driver ripping me off after the fact. That's just something that worked well for me. I booked the taxi online through the hotel and paid the hotel for the taxi when I checked out of the hotel, actually. It worked well, something to consider. Alright, guys, well, that's it. A quick look at the international airport in Hanoi. It is a very nice airport. My only recommendation really is be sure you know what visa you need and have it before you leave home. It'll save you a lot of headaches once you get there, that's for sure. Alright, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.